all, it's Kristen and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different. Usually when I do my tutorials, I focus on my eyes. Today I want to focus on the lips. I have this Maleficent lipstick from the Colourpop Villains collection. This is a swatch of it. And I wanted to rock this with kind of a minimal look around the face. So something soft and glowy. The eyes, you know, just you'll see. It's gonna be kind of a quick tutorial. I'm not gonna go too in depth with it, but I wanted to do something a little different today, so why not? And then yeah, so I'm gonna kind of make my face look as dewy as possible. Today is 90 degrees outside. I'm so excited. So I want to have not a ton of makeup on. So I'm gonna start with the Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury because it's a liquid and you know it doesn't add like heaviness to the skin. It just adds that nice glow to it. And yeah, something tragic happened today, by the way. My beauty blender, the purple one that's like a swirly, like white and purple, it ripped in half. Yep, it ripped in half. $20 sponge and it ripped in half. I'm so sad. Not really sure if it's like the soap I'm using or what, but I was sad. I was really sad. I do wash it pretty much every day, and I do like use a pad to like scrub on it. I think that might be the issue, so I'm gonna have to. I'm not really blaming Beauty Blender because I've had them before and none of them have done that before, so you know I think I might have been too aggressive with it, which sucks, but I was sad. Luckily, I have my trusty Real Techniques bar. Luckily, I have my Real Techniques blender. I'm gonna go with my CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream in Light. And I'm doing my face because my eyes are gonna be like super duper simple, and I'm gonna use one of the products that I'm using on my face on my eyes. So, yeah. And I'm blending this in with my hands first, and then I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Blender and smooth it out. Okay, so I got my base down. And like I said, I'm gonna go in with one of my products to go onto my eyes, and it's gonna be the Fenty Beauty. I got a little tiny sample of the Fenty Beauty in Shady Biz. So what I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna go in with an eye primer. I'm still gonna go in with my Milani eye primer. And just so that it doesn't move around, you know. And I'm still gonna go ahead with my Emily Edit palette and set that. And then instead of my Fenty, I'm actually gonna go, I've changed my mind, I'm actually gonna go in with my Smashbox, the Cali Contour palette. And I'm gonna take the bronzer shade and I'm gonna use that as just all over the lid. All over the lid and into the crease. It's gonna be one of those looks where you just want definition, but you don't necessarily want the, like I said, the eyes are not gonna be the focus here. So blend it into the crease first, so it's nice and defined, and then blow it out onto the lower lid. Blow it out. Bring it down to the lower lid. Such dark. I'm so sorry if you can hear the laundry, the washing machine. My dad turned it on before he left, and I didn't realize it. I'm like, that's awfully loud. Cats, laundry machine, or washing machine. It's one of those days, people. It's one of those days. And that's literally all I'm gonna do with the eyes. Literally, that's it. Well, I say literally, and then I do one more thing with the eyes. Oh god, I'm gonna take the highlighter color here in this Cali Contour, my MAC 224, and I'm just gonna clean it up just a tad and use it as a highlighter. So I wasn't literally done with the eyes. Sorry. Such a liar. Now, for now, I'm done with the eyes. I might do something here, but I don't think so. I think I'm gonna leave that there. With the eyeshadow, I am gonna line them. I am gonna take my Fenty liner and try not to go crazy and just keep it really close to the lash line and just, you know, not really wing it out. Just keep it really close to the lash line so that it still looks, again, defined. So let's do that. So I had a bit of a mishap. I blinked and it went everywhere on the side, so I had to wipe it off. And luckily, I did not do a lot to my eyes because I would have been so sad if I had a whole like eye look and I messed it up as badly as I did. It wasn't even like, this is how you fix that. No, you take a makeup wipe, you wipe that off. That's how bad it was. And again, luckily it was just putting one, you know, the bronzer back on there. Ugh. But there we go. Eyeliner on. I suck at eyeliner. Oh my gosh. Look at my eyeliner. I realized, girl, you're all over the place. You didn't even put on your concealer yet. I'm gonna put on my Laura Mercier concealer. I am all over the place today. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. But that's okay. You know what? We all have one of those days, right? And if you've ever come to my channel expecting perfection, let me just tell you, it isn't gonna happen anytime soon. I'm not perfect. I'm not a professional at this makeup thing. I am literally just having fun here. Oh, there's that light again. That like, yay. I'm so sorry. This video is such a big mess right now. Got my cat screaming in the background. I got my washing machine going. Got this light in my face. Ugh. I may just scrap the whole thing. Or I may just put it up and be like, I'm not perfect, I'm sorry. Because I'm not perfect and I'm sorry. I've been using my COVERGIRL Vitalist Healthy Powder in Classic Ivory to set my eyes lately. I think it was Samantha March that said this was similar to the Charlotte Tilbury one that I love so much. I really haven't really compared them, but because my Charlotte Tilbury is a tad too light and this one is a nice color for, you know, setting my under eyes, I've been using it. I guess I could compare them like side by side, but maybe that's something I'll do in the future. What do you think? What do you think? You guys want to do that? But that's all that I'm going to put there. Powder wise, I'm not going to powder my face. Okay. Disaster! So I'm going to go in with the Cali contour palette. And I'm going to go ahead and just use the bronzer and the blush. I'm going to use a different highlighter. But I am going to use the bronzer and the blush because they're very nice neutrally like colors for lighter skins. I know skin tones. I know that they just released one that's like for darker skin tones, I think it was. I got this at the sale at the recommendation of I always get recommendations from Samantha March. She's like apparently my go-to person. Samantha March and also Ashley Clady. They highly recommended this palette. Some people were like, it's not even worth it, but they both were like, we really love it, you know. And since I trust their opinions and so far have really enjoyed a lot of their recommendations, I went ahead and picked it up. This is a contender to go with me on my cruise and on my Europe vacation. I think I might take this with me. It's got pretty much everything I need. So, face-wise, I still don't know what I'm going to take eye-wise. I don't know. I don't know yet. Okay, and then I'll go in with the blush, which is just a very neutrally pink blush. I think it's a little bit on the warm side, but that's okay. That's okay. And then for my highlighter, I could go in with this highlighter, but instead I have this Flower Beauty trio that I don't think I've used on my channel yet. I hauled it, but I haven't used it yet. I'm gonna just use the color over here, the more white base color. Yeah, I'm gonna use that one as opposed to like the pinky or the gold, and just kind of put that over that. Oh, it's very nice, isn't it? It's very blinding. Have I used this on my channel? Well, I don't remember, honestly, but I know that I hauled it. I know that I hauled it. I've used it one time before, and yeah, I'm pretty impressed with these. I'm pretty impressed. For like a drugstore, I was kind of hesitant because it's like 14 bucks. But then I realized you're getting 3 highlighters. That's a really good deal. It really is. And I, again, have heard people rave about this. So I was like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna do it. So there's the face, honestly. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna do something natural with my IT Cosmetics Brow Power. This is also what's coming in with me on my cruise. I'm slowly auditioning certain things, and then some things are just like a no-brainer, like, yeah, that's coming with me on my cruise. Like this, because it's so simple and easy and foolproof, and it has a spoolie. Urban Decay. I'm just kidding. I know that my brow blade, there's a reason it didn't have a spoolie on it. Still haven't found my my Gimme Brow from the video where I was wanting the Gimme Brow to show you for this Sephora sale. Still haven't found that. Looks like I'm going to be picking up a beauty blender in the sale. My poor beauty blender. I'm going to have to be more careful with them. Alright. Okay. So the last thing that I'm going to do to my face before I put on mascara is I'm just going to spray it with this Wet n Wild Rose. It's very a mixed bag of drugstore and high-end today, isn't it? Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my eyelashes. This is very trendy for fall, for fall. Apparently I think I'm in Australia. Very trendy for spring is to have the bright lip and the minimal eyes. Which makes sense because again, it's gonna be 90 degrees today. I don't want like a bunch of makeup on my face weighing me down. I'm gonna take my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, which again, it's coming with me on this trip. I'm gonna take my travel size one that I got as a point perk from Sephora. Once I figure out everything I'm packing, I will do a video. And then when I get back, I'll tell you what I actually used. So I'm going to be spending 3 days in my embarkation destination. Like I said, I don't know. I don't know if I really need to be like secretive about it, but I'll tell you everything when I get back. But we're going to be spending 3 days in our embarkation destination. And then it's a 7-night cruise with 2 formal nights. And then 2 days where we're disembarking. I'm going to try to pre-film too. I don't know how well I'm going to do. But I'm going to try. And pre-film so that way you guys won't be missing any videos. Okay, so this is the face. This is what I wanted to do with the face. Pretty simple, pretty quick, pretty easy, glowy. Eyes are still defined, but they're not the focal point. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, and I don't think this is gonna be a great match, but I just want to lightly line my lips. I'm gonna take my NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in Zampolo. And it's a lot lighter than my lipstick, but like I said, I just want kind of like a faint outline to help me, because I'm not great with lips. You guys know that it's not my favorite part of my routine, but I wanted to step out of my comfort zone. And then I'm gonna go in with Maleficent, who is my favorite Disney villain. That's not true, actually. Ursula, I think, is my favorite Disney villain, but she's very close. Maleficent is very close. Beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. Now, of course, the trick when you're wearing lipstick to get it not on your teeth is you take... I'm sorry if this is going to be gross. This is just how I know to do it. See, it's already on my teeth. Is to take your index finger, you put it in your mouth, you put your lips around it, and then you pull it out. See? And all of that lipstick would have been all over my teeth. I know that was kind of gross. Might edit that out. I don't know. But there we go. Bright lips. Really nice glowy skin. Simple eyes. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. This was something new and fun for me to do. If you like these kind of things, let me know. If you have any other suggestions for me to step out of my box, let me know. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. I hope that you like this video and that you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.